Welcome to the best picks. The best metal epoxy is probably one of the most versatile and strongest adhesives you can find for your metal projects, offering superior bonding strength and durability compared to other glues. In this video, we will explore the amazing world of epoxy glue designed specifically for metal, examining its properties, applications, and helping you choose the perfect epoxy for your next project, whether it's repairing a broken metal part, creating a unique metal sculpture, or tackling any other metal bonding challenge. Number 5. Weld 8265S. It's the original cold weld, a two-part epoxy system that's a fantastic alternative to traditional welding. It creates a bond stronger than steel, perfect for countless repairs. This epoxy is incredibly strong. It provides strong, lasting repairs to multiple surfaces, making it ideal for DIY projects and professional applications alike. After mixing, it sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 to 24 hours. Once cured, it can be easily tapped, filled, sanded, molded, and even drilled. It's steel reinforced, boasts a tensile strength of 5020 psi, and can withstand temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's waterproof and resistant to many chemicals. It works on a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, wood, concrete, ceramic, and fiberglass. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a big project or a small one, you can tackle it with confidence. It's designed for superior performance and quality, delivering the world's strongest bond. Once fully cured, it's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids, ensuring long-lasting repairs. What we like. It boasts unparalleled strength, exceeding that of steel. Its versatility makes it suitable for various materials and applications. This makes it perfect for demanding projects where durability and resilience are paramount. If you need a robust solution for long-lasting repairs, this is your go-to choice. What people say. It's my go-to adhesive for metal repairs, as it holds up exceptionally well under stress. Ain't much in the way of stuff around the farm that's broke that Weld can't stick together again. Fixed the engine block of a Model T, too. Stuck it on an old tractor. Runs real good now. Also used it to fix Daisy's bell cow bell, that is. Successfully used this to patch a 175 psi 25 gallons compressor I got at a rummage sale for cheap that had a cracked and leaking weld on an attempted welded patch. It took a couple tries to get it right, but the trick is mix it well and apply it to bare clean metal. I used brake cleaner, but acetone or denatured alcohol works too apparently. Number 4. Gorilla 2-part epoxy. This epoxy is incredibly strong and perfect for a variety of projects. It sets in just 5 minutes, giving you plenty of time to work. It dries completely clear, making it ideal for projects where a clean, invisible bond is needed. You'll love the professional look it provides. It offers a 5-minute set time, giving you ample time to adjust your work before it hardens. This makes it easy to achieve the perfect fit. It's specially formulated to fill gaps and bond uneven surfaces. It's perfect for those tricky projects with irregular shapes. It's also water-resistant, able to withstand moderate water exposure. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, both indoors and outdoors. The convenient syringe design keeps the epoxy from hardening prematurely, and it dispenses evenly for precise application. Plus, it has a cap for multiple uses. With its speed, strength, and ease of use, it's the perfect choice for all your bonding needs. Get yours today. What we like. It sets in just 5 minutes, offering ample time for adjustments. Its gap-filling capabilities are ideal for uneven surfaces. The clear finish ensures a seamless, invisible bond, perfect for aesthetic projects. If you value speed, precision, and a clean look, this is the epoxy for you. What people say. Fully liquid to start, begins getting thick within 10 minutes, which is just what I want for working with a variety of materials and surfaces. Fully cures, clear, dry and hard, in 24 hours. The Gorilla Epoxy package instructions call for first inverting the syringe and bleeding air out of both sides, to assure smooth flow of the two components. Makes sense. These materials are very viscous, however, and one side cleared faster than the other, suddenly shooting a blob of liquid out the end, it was startling and was met with a few choice words as I scrambled to clean up the tile floor. The tiny plastic mixing stick is nearly useless when you have a large area to cover and need to rapidly blend a lot of epoxy. Remember that this stuff has a 5-minute set time. I smeared it around rapidly with the stick, but I doubt the result was homogeneous. When I set the plywood on top, I immediately moved it around clockwise, then counterclockwise to better blend the two components. I then set full 1-gallon paint cans on top of the plywood, as there is no easy way to clamp this together, and I gave it 24 hours to cure. The next day, there was some clear, mildly sticky bleed out along the edges of the plywood. It looked sloppy, but that side is not visible once the panel is installed so. Fortunately, the epoxy seems to have fused the plywood to the stone panel fairly well. I doubt that I achieved the intended 3,300 psi bond strength, but this panel serves largely a cosmetic service, so there is not really much load on it. With only a modest amount of this Gorilla brand epoxy applied to the joints between the broken pieces, and no structural reinforcements, the entire wingspan of the sculpture is fused with such strength and rigidity that I can support the entire weight of the sculpture 80 pounds. At anywhere along the wingspan without it flexing or coming apart. This is really astounding. The entire sculpture may actually be materially stronger than before the repair. The epoxy has a thick consistency, like honey. It fills small gaps extremely well and will self-level to an extent, removing brush strokes and smoothing over depressions. It is clear with a very slight amber tint. It goes on clear and cures to a clear, tough as nails finish. Number 3. Weld KwikWeld. It's Weld KwikWeld, the quick-setting epoxy that makes repairs a breeze. It's strong, durable, and perfect for a variety of projects around the house or shop. This steel-reinforced epoxy sets in just 6 minutes. You can start working with it much sooner than other epoxies. It boasts a tensile strength of 3,127 psi and can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last. From metal and plastic to wood and concrete, it bonds to almost anything. Use it on your DIY projects, automotive repairs, or even marine applications. Simply mix the two parts in a 1-to-1 ratio, apply, and let it cure. Once cured, it can be sanded, drilled, and even molded to your needs. After curing, it's waterproof and resistant to petroleum, chemicals, and acids. It's the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. What we like. It sets rapidly, saving you valuable time. The steel reinforcement ensures exceptional strength and durability. It's perfect for quick fixes and projects where a speedy turnaround is needed. If you need a fast, strong, and reliable bond, this is the one for you. What people say. The Weld 8276 KwikWeld Quick Setting Steel Reinforced Epoxy is an absolute must-have for quick and durable repairs. I used it to fix a metal frame, and the bond was incredibly strong, holding up just like steel. The quick setting formula is a big plus. It sets in just a few minutes and fully cures within a few hours, saving me a lot of time compared to other epoxy products. There are many 2-component epoxies that will get hard. Weld gets even harder, but more than that, it is easy to apply and work with when it is fresh mixed, much more than others that I have used. I use this stuff constantly and it has never failed me yet, even extreme uses. My stud finder was unfortunately a good pipe finder too. While installing a handrail in our shower for my wife, I accidentally drilled a 1/8 hole dead center of a water pipe. After sanding the surface of the copper pipe all around, I applied a 1/8 thick coating of KwikWeld around most of the pipe, generously covering the hole I had drilled. After it hardened really well, I added another 1/8 coating over that previous application. It was quickly as hard as a rock, but I waited just 3 hours before turning the water pressure back on. It was perfect with no leaks. It's been a week since that repair was done, with no problems. Number 2. Loctite Epoxy 5-minute. This innovative adhesive is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its self-mixing dispenser and precision applicator. It's perfect for a variety of bonding and repair needs. It creates a powerful bond on many surfaces, including wood, metal, tile, ceramic, glass, and plastic. Its versatility makes it ideal for many projects. Once cured, it's completely waterproof, sandable, and paintable, ensuring a long-lasting and durable repair. It's built to last. It's not just an adhesive, It also works as a versatile filler for gap bonding, surface repairs, and laminating. It's a true multitasker. It won't shrink after curing and resists water and most common solvents. This ensures a strong, reliable bond every time. From simple repairs to more complex projects, it's the perfect solution for all your bonding and filling needs. Get yours today. What we like. It features a user-friendly design for easy application. It offers high strength for reliable bonding. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. If ease of use and strong bonds are your priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The mixing nozzle is very effective for use in holes where you want the finished look to be free of smears that happen when you mix by hand and try to get the epoxy into a hole or a crevice. Tips: automatically mix the epoxy as it is dispensed. The epoxy itself seems to be good quality, typical 5-minute clear. So far it has held up well where I have used it. Number 1. Weld ClearWeld. Introducing Weld ClearWeld, a superior, clear epoxy with a quick setting time. It's perfect for a variety of DIY projects and repairs. It comes in a convenient syringe for easy mixing. The resealable cap keeps it fresh for multiple uses. This 2-part epoxy sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in an hour. It's incredibly efficient for quick fixes. With a tensile strength of 3,900 psi, it provides a remarkably strong and lasting bond. You can trust it to hold up. It bonds to a wide range of surfaces, including metal, plastic, wood, ceramic, and more. It's the ultimate all-purpose adhesive. Whether it's a small crack or a major repair, this epoxy makes DIY projects easy and effective. Get professional results every time. What we like. It sets in just 5 minutes, allowing for quick repairs. Its clear finish ensures an invisible bond, ideal for delicate projects. It's a versatile solution for various bonding and repair needs. If you need a fast-setting, clear, and versatile epoxy, this is the one for you. What people say. I've used Weld's ClearWeld for years, and it's never failed me. I've yet to find anything I could not fix with it. I've repaired and glued together ceramics, plastics, wood panels, metal brackets, rubber, cloth, and fibrous materials. I've also attached many of those items to one another with ClearWeld. The window seals in our gazebo were all letting go, the part that holds the glass in the frame. This product went on easily and has held the rubber seals in place through hot and cold with the humidity of a hot tub in play. It truly covered the gaps on both of those headlights, and I'm no longer worried about any condensation getting into my new headlights. I went back hours later, and it blended in like someone just took clear plastic and inconsistently smoothed it out over the headlight assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.